Welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're diving deep into the rebirth of an automotive icon, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle. That's right, the bug is back, and this time, it's making a bold statement with its retro charm fused with futuristic engineering. If you thought the Beetle was just a piece of the past, think again. Volkswagen has completely reimagined this classic, and it's here to win over a new generation of drivers while satisfying die-hard fans of the original. At first glance, the 2026 Beetle retains the soul of its legendary design, those rounded fenders, that unmistakable silhouette, and the friendly face we've loved for decades. But look closer and you'll see sleeker lines, LED signature lighting, and modern aerodynamics that make this Beetle not just stylish but also efficient. The front and rear bumpers have been reshaped with subtle aggression, and the iconic dome roof flows smoothly into a more sculpted rear, giving it a sportier stance than ever before. Volkswagen is offering both gasoline and all-electric variants for 2026. The EV version comes with a whisper-quiet electric motor, delivering up to 250 horsepower and a range of around 300 miles on a single charge, perfect for city commutes and weekend escapes alike. For those who still love the feel of combustion, the turbocharged 2.0L inline-4 option gives a peppy and responsive performance that feels right at home on highways and winding roads. The dual-clutch automatic transmission ensures seamless shifts, making driving this Beetle smooth, quick, and enjoyable. Inside, the transformation is just as impressive. The retro-inspired dashboard has been reimagined with a futuristic flair. A wide digital display dominates the cockpit, combining both the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless unit. Touch controls, ambient lighting, wireless smartphone integration, and voice-activated navigation bring the Beetle firmly into the 21st century. The front seats are plush and ergonomically designed, while the rear seats offer improved legroom thanks to the new platform layout. But it's not just about style and tech, the Beetle 2026 has practicality, too. The hatchback design allows for versatile cargo space, making it an ideal option for urban explorers, students, or small families. And with Volkswagen's latest safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, this new Beetle is as safe as it is stylish. What makes this Beetle truly special is how it balances nostalgia with innovation. It pays homage to its heritage while embracing the demands of modern life. It's compact but capable, stylish but smart, playful yet purposeful. Whether you're someone who grew up riding in one or you're seeing the Beetle for the first time through a fresh lens, the 2026 model is guaranteed to turn heads and start conversations. Volkswagen isn't just bringing back a car, they're reviving a cultural icon with meaning, character, and personality. The Beetle has always stood for individuality, and this latest version continues that legacy in a world that's changing fast. So, what do you think of the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Beetle? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're passionate about cars, from legendary comebacks to modern marvels, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend for more exciting reviews and exclusive content. Thanks for riding with us, we'll see you in the next one.